In this tutorial, I will show you how can you make this neon effect in Photoshop. Type the text Go to Blending Options. Select Inner Glow and follow the setting. Note this color code. Change the blend mode into hard light. Set the opacity 35%. Set the size 7 or 8%. Now select Outer Glow. Past here, same color code. Change the blend mode into Linear Dodge Add. Set the opacity 80%. Set the size 35%. Now go back to Inner Shadow and follow the setting. Follow the setting. Finish the setting and click OK. Create duplicate. Select bottom layer and go to Blending Options. Off the Inner Glow. Choose the stoke and follow the setting. Now go to Outer Glow and increase the size to 250%. Select the drop shadow and follow the setting. When you finish, press OK. Now select the Shape tool and copy the same layer. Style and paste it on the new layer that you have created. For more Photoshop and AI tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.